All right, go condition 3. Fire.
Fire!
150 meters!
Just ready to fire!
Firing!
Fire, we're ready!
Firing!
Close.
Now use the butter.
Now use the bump.
Tell the enemy, nice try, fly guy.
Got them both.
Hold it from here.
Hold it from there.
Down and left, down and left. Down. Right,
Oh, got that one.
Hit the rounds.
Go. Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Put it on fire. All right, so right now you're gonna shoot between, see the 2 5s?
Go condition 1!
Condition 1. Open that feed tray. Clear. Send that boat home.
All right, line's hot!
Line's hot. Engage when ready. Clear.
All right, line hot!
We'll find out. Weapon on. Take it off fire. Put it on fire. Just right. Good. Down 2. You're like right there. Right there. Engage. Hand on.
Open it so I can look.
Clear it out.
We good? Hey, you're good to load. Back.
All right, go con 1. There's your traversing. Lock that traversing.
Put everything off that feed tray. There you go. Get to home. The rest of them.
Hold, set, good, rolling.
Weapon. Now do first.
Clear.
So handle home.
Hi, a good Marine.
Hey, Thompson. Left to right again.
Clear.
Good.
Everyone ready?
Firing!
So get it set a little bit. There you go. You're good.
Hey, Jody.
Clicks. All right.
We're on safe.
Close it up. Hey, 2-2-0. Charge 1. Elevation. Hey, on 1, charge 1. Good sync on 1. Round out on 1. Hey, on 1, charge 1. One round every 30 seconds, 5 minutes. Fire!
Can't cross easy.
On you, just make sure you engage it only when it's in the center and you.
Hit it.
Hey, don't worry.
Fire!
Fire! Hang it. Fire!
Last round!
Fire!
Fire!
Two! Fire! Hey! Hang it! Get in there! Fire!
Fire! Let go!
Hang it!
Fire!
Hang it!
Fire! Hang it!